Okay viewers, today I'm going to present question and answer program of Introduction to Management on chapter 7. As usual, the direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of controlling in management? A. To identify employees responsible for mistakes. B. To ensure organizational activities align with planned objectives. C. To increase the workload of employees. D. To eliminate the need for planning. The answer for question number 1 is B. To ensure organizational activities align with planned objectives. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a step in the control process? A. Establish standards. B. Measuring performance. C. Eliminate competition. D. Take corrective action. The answer for question number 2 is C. Eliminate competition. Question number 3. What is the role of feedback in controlling? A. It allows employees to manage their own salaries. B. It provides information on deviations from the set standard. C. It removes the need for performance evaluations. D. It replaces the need for organizational structure. The answer for question number 3 is B. It provides information on deviations from set standards. Question number 4. Which type of controlling focus on prevent problems before they occur? A. Feed forward control. B. Feedback control. C. Pre-action control. D. Corrective action. The answer for question number 4 is A. Feed forward control. Question number 5. Who is primarily responsible for exercising control in an organization? A. Government agencies. B. Employees at lower levels. C. The manager responsible for a particular plan. D. External auditors. The answer for question number 5 is C. The manager responsible for a particular plan is C. Question number 6. Why is continuous control system important in an organization? A. It prevents unnecessary audits. B. It ensures control is applied at all times, not just in emergency. C. It eliminates the need for employee training. D. It increases the number of supervisors. The answer for question number 6 is B. It ensures control is applied at all times, not just in emergencies. Question number 7. What makes an effective control system flexible? A. It allows for adjustments based on changes in the environment. B. It ensures all rules remain unchanged. C. It eliminates decision making at lower levels. D. It follows only traditional management approach. The answer for question number 7 is A. It allows for adjustments based on changes in the environment. Question number 8. Why is control considered a forward-looking function? Why is control considered a forward-looking function? A. It aims to prevent future deviations from standards. B. It focuses only on past performance. C. It removes the need for strategic planning. D. It applies only to financial management. The answer for question number 8 is A. It aims to prevent future deviations from standards. Question number 9. A manager noticed a decline in product quality. What is the best course of action? A. Take immediate corrective action to address the issue. B. Ignore the problem and focus on marketing. C. Increase the workload on employees. D. Reduce salaries to improve efficiency. The answer for question number 9 is A. Take immediate corrective action to address the issue. Question number 10. Which control type would be most useful for a new production process to ensure quality before production begins? A. Feedback control. C. Feed-forward control. C. Post-action control. D. Random control. The answer for question number 10 is B. Feed-forward control. Question number 11. An organization is experiencing frequent delays in project completion. What aspect of the control process should be improved? A. Establishing performance standards. B. Measuring performance regularly. C. Increase employees' workload. D. Reducing communication. The answer for question number 11 is B. Measuring performance regularly. Question number 12. What distinguishes feedback control from feed-forward control? A. Feedback control focus on past performance while feed-forward control anticipates issues. B. Feed-forward control ignores standard measurements. C. Feedback control eliminates the need for decision making. D. Feed-forward control is applied only in financial management. The answer for question number 12 is A. Feedback control focus on past performance while feed-forward control anticipates issues. Question number 13. Which of the following is a characteristic of a good control system? A. It is rigid and difficult to change. B. It is expensive and complex. C. It focuses on important areas and allows flexibility. D. It is only applied in large organization. The answer for question number 13 is C. It focuses on important areas and allows flexibility. Question number 14. If a company focuses only on significant deviations rather than all small errors, what principle is being applied? A. Centralization. B. Control by exception. C. Feedback loop. D. Unity of command. The answer for question number 14 is control by exception B. Question number 15. The company is considering implementing a new control system. What is the most important factor to evaluate first? A. The cost and effectiveness of the control system. B. The opinion of our employees. C. The number of supervisors in the company. D. The ability to eliminate decision making. The answer for question number 15 is A. The cost and effectiveness of the control system. Question number 16. Why is it important that control system be acceptable to employees? A. To avoid compliance and conflicts. B. To increase employee participation and motivation. C. To eliminate the need for leadership. D. To focus only on financial performance. The answer for question number 16 is B, to increase employees' participation and motivation. Question number 17. If an organization control system lead to increased employee dissatisfaction, what could be the issue? A, the system is too rigid and lack flexibility. B, the organization has too many supervisors. C, employees are uninterested in their roles. D, the company do not have financial problems. The answer for question number 17 is A, the system is too rigid and lack flexibility. Question number 18. A company wanted to design a new control system for improving customer service. What would be the best first step? A, establish performance standards for customer service. B, reduce the number of employees handling customer complaints. C, ignore customer feedback and focus on internal evaluation. D, increase product price to compensate for service improvement. The answer for question number 18 is A, establish performance standards for customer service. Okay, question number 19. An organization with multiple departments wanted to improve efficiency through better control. What approach should it take? A, establish clear department-specific control standard. B, monitor every minor task without exception. C, centralize all decisions to a single manager. D, rely solely on past performance reviews. The answer for question number 19 is A, establish clear department-specific control standards. Question number 20. A business is developing a control system to detect fraud. What type of control should be emphasized? A, feed forward control to prevent fraud before it happens. B, feed back control to investigate fraud after it occurs. C, only focus on punishments rather than prevention. D, ignore fraud and focus on profits. A, the answer is A, feed forward control to prevent fraud before it happens. This is all about the question and answer program on chapter 7. Thank you for attending this program.